Hello guys, this is Pawan from Amitotronics. So today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how we can install Ngrok and we will see how we can do it in our Windows 11 system. You can do it in our Windows 10 also, same thing. So basically what is Ngrok? Ngrok is basically a secure tunnel where you can make any local IP publicly accessible. So whenever you want to share your local IP to someone which is remotely available from your location, so he or she can access that IP easily. So for that purpose, basically Ngrok is used. So that I will demonstrate here how we can install and use that Ngrok. So here you can type Ngrok, download for Windows. So here you will just go to the download section, and here we will just close this thing, and we'll go to the Windows section, and either we can use this Choco install Ngrok, or else we'll just directly click on this download section, and here we will just get this Ngrok AMD64 version. Based on your system, it will automatically detect whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit, and it will install. And we'll just click on this open file now, and we have to unzip this thing. So here I'll do right click on it, and I'll just extract all. And what will you do? We'll just unzip this thing. So I'm extracting here only. So here in the download section we have this ngrok.exe. Now I'll just double click on it and execute it. So here you can see these are the things we have defined here, Ngrok commands and helps, you can see. Now we can set the environment variables for this Ngrok. So this is the path I will copy, and I'll just go to the edit, the system environment variables. I'll click on environment variables, and here in the path I'll just click on edit, and we'll just click on new, and here I'll just copy, and we'll just hit OK, and again OK. And now we will just close this window, and we'll just open OK, click on OK, and we will just open command prompt. And here in the command prompt, what I'll do, I'll just here I'll search Ngrok, and here you can see these are the things you can see in examples. Any HTTP server you want to make it publicly accessible, so you can give this 80 using this 80. Here it is showing examples. It is here they are forwarding 80 port, and here this Ngrok HTTP any domain, then 8080, and then you can also forward TCP port 22, and this way HTTP 80, and then email this web. So these are the things. Now what will we do? We will just close this window. Let's say I have basically a one XAMPP server running. If I'll just go to here, and in this XAMPP server, if I'll just open the control panel, and here if I'll just start Apache and start MySQL, and if I'll just minimize this, and if I'll just go to this web page, and here I'll just go to localhost or else 127 on this thing, and /myphp /myhp.php. I have written one code inside htdocs folder. So in this if I'll run, so here one PHP program is there. where I have just run this echo statement I have printed. So this basically this URL I just want to make it publicly accessible. So here basically we need to authenticate also before running this thing. So what will you do? We'll just go to Ngrok, and here we'll just log in with Ngrok settings. So I'll just give my username and password is login, and here in the setup and installation we will just redirect to this this Ngrok config add authentication. So we'll just add this authentication. We'll just go to the command line. I'll give and here authentication save to configuration file C user spawn. This in this path folder it is saved. Now what will you do? We'll just run this Ngrok, and okay, we'll go to our Ngrok, and here we will just type Ngrok http 80, and I will just hit enter. So this is our publicly accessible address or URL now, and we'll just take this thing, and if I'll just paste it somewhere with a different network. Currently I'm in some network, whatever network I am, Josie 5G, and if I'll just search it, and here if I'll just give it that file name myphp / myphp.php. So this thing here again we will get this thing. So this basically you can share to anyone who is there remotely. So you will access this that person will access this URL and debug that thing in the large program system. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any doubt regarding this, just feel free to comment us below. Thanks for watching this video.